Hey everyone, if you are facing the issue where your Ryzen 5 560G processor shows only 3 cores and 6 threads, instead of the full 6 cores and 12 threads, you are in the right place. This tutorial is a bit longer, but I will make it shorter. These quick steps might solve multiple problems. 1. Update BIOS. Make sure your motherboard BIOS is up to date. Now first, open the CMD, right-click on it, run as administrator, and then you need to paste here the command wmic bios. Get smbiosbiosversion, and then hit enter. This will show you the exact BIOS that you are currently using in your motherboard, right? And now we need to identify the motherboard product version, because it often helps us to apply the exact BIOS version for your motherboard. Now click on the Windows search icon. Search here for system information and then open it once you are here. Simply, you need to find here the baseboard product. It's over here. B450 Pro M2V2. That's my motherboard. Now open any browser and then search here for your motherboard BIOS, so P450 M2V2 BIOS, and then hit enter. You will get here the MSI official website board page. Open this one once you are here. Simply, you need to slow down a bit. Drivers and download. Now there is 3 things: utility, drivers, and firmware. BIOS highly recommended. Download the utility for your specific Windows and then update your drivers. It will often solve your problem. Now, first you can do this. And after that, go into the firmware. Make sure download the latest BIOS version. Now, how you can identify that? The latest BIOS version is available or not. So last 3-digit 4.F1. And over here you can see 4.F1. So that's how you can identify and then click on the download. And about how to install the BIOS in your motherboard. You can just click on this hyperlink. YouTube, MSI, how to use mFlash for BIOS. You need a USB 2. Gigabytes is enough for this setup. You need to download this file, and then further you can watch this tutorial. This will help you to how to install using the BIOS in your motherboard. After doing this, if still your problem is not solved, simply you can reset your motherboard settings. This will often solve your problem. And one more thing you can do here. Click on the Windows search icon, then search here for power option, open it, and then you will see here the power option. Then choose here the AMD Ryzen balanced. Now, if you did not install the utility, you will not see here the AMD Ryzen power options, so you need to set here the high performance and close it. Now restart your PC, your power must be fixed 100%. One more thing you can do here. You need to search here the msconfig and then open the system configuration. Click on the boot. Go into the advanced options. Choose this check. This marks number of processors. Choose the maximum cores and make sure uncheck this option. Also uncheck the PCIe lock. Debug options only check number of processors. Choose the maximum cores. Hit apply. Okay, and then restart your PC. This will often solve your issues. But if still you are facing, then you need to collect 2 information from me. And drop your feedback, I will guide you further. Right? Click on the taskbar, open the task manager, and go into the performance. Choose the CPU. And over here you can see, in my case, I'm using Ryzen 5 3600, which is 6 core 12 threads, logical processors you can say. So that's exactly what I have with my CPU. So if you are seeing here the exact informations, which means your system, your registry is misconfigured, you need to configure it back. But for that first, you need to click this information, the first one, and then right-click on your Windows icon, and then open the Device Manager. And over here, you need to click here on the processors, and make sure there's 12 threads are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, which means that your hardware is perfectly fine. Your BIOS setting is perfectly fine. If something happened with your operating system, might be in registry. Or, yeah, mostly it's happening some like misconfigured registry settings. So we can do that further about this, guys. But first, you need to drop your feedback about this, that you are getting everything is fine, then we can proceed further. See you in the next video.